Not easy on the moving train.
Four brothers getting along. Watch us.
I hope you can do this that fast.
Appreciate it.
Well, it's hard to speak.
Watch it. He's only 8 years old. Hey, watch it. Watch it. Let's go.
Yo, listen up. We are no longer called McDonald's. We're now Burger King. Why? Because we're the king.
Go back line. Are you stupid?
Are you serious? Do you know who I am? I'm the boss's son.
Get off the back line.
Well, the shirts I imported.
Get off the back line. Don't come on the back line.
Are you serious?
Stay over there with the food, right?
I'm gonna come back.
Stay over there.
Listen, fetch me a glass of water. How did you get hired? You're fired for just watching. Do something. Come on. You make the food, make me a burger. I'ma fire all of you!